A, B, C, D, E, F.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Build it up with
A,
sticks and stones, sticks and stones, sticks and stones. Build it up with sticks and stones, my fair lady.
A,
Sticks and stones will
B,
all fall down, all fall down, all fall down. Sticks and stones will all fall down, my fair
B.
lady. Build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and
C.
clay, my fair lady.
C,
Wood and clay will wash away, wash
D.
away, wash away. Wood and clay will wash away, my fair lady.
D,
Build it up with iron and steel, iron and steel, iron and steel. Build it up with iron and
E.
steel, my fair lady.
E,
Iron and steel will bend
F.
and bow, bend and bow, bend and bow. Iron and steel will bend and
F.
bow, my fair lady. London Bridge is falling down, falling down.
Green color,
Falling down, London
orange color,
falling down, my
blue color,
fair lady.
purple color, yellow color, red color,
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout.
A is for apple.
Came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
A is for alligator.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the
B is for ball.
Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout
B
again.
is for ball.
C is for cat.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy
C is for cat.
spider went up the spout again.
D is for dog.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick
D is for dog.
tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
E is for elephant.
E is for egg.
Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock.
F is for fish.
He ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
F is for frog.
Hickory dickory dock,
A,
the bee
B,
buzzed round the
C,
clock. The clock
D,
struck
E,
5.
F,